Here we have 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4 to the power of this 3 divided by 8 plus 5 times 2. Here 4 to the power of 3 is 64 divided by 8 plus 5 times 2. Here 64 divided by 8 is 8 plus 5 times 2. Here 8 plus 5 is 13 times 2. 13 times 2 is 26 is the wrong answer. Here, as per this order of operation, this 26 is the wrong answer. Here, we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here, this is a bracket, higher priority than other operations. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, first priority is bracket. We have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here, the bracket is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4 to the power of this 3 divided by 8 plus 5 times 2. Here, the next priority is exponent. We have the exponent here, which is 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is 64 divided by 8 plus 5 times 2. Here, the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division here and multiplication here. We have to do this multiplication division before this addition. So, here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here, left to right is this one. 64 divided by 8 is 8 plus 5 times 2. Now, here addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So, we have to do this multiplication before this addition. 8 plus 5 times 2 is 10. Here, 8 plus 10 is 18 is the correct answer.